Hello, my name is Dr. Glenn Ahi, and I'd like to take a couple of moments to tell you about some additional services we started providing in our office and how it's worked out for us. About a year and a half ago, we started looking for different procedures and services we could offer to our patients to increase our patient base, to fill the gap that the changes in the healthcare landscape have caused over the last several years. And what they've developed is a program for the conservative, non-surgical treatment of osteoarthritis of the knee. At first, when we looked at it, we were impressed with it, but it wasn't until we started talking to other doctors that we found out how effective it was. They've been wonderful with us. Everything that they've promised, they've delivered on. But above and beyond that, the procedures that we do with these patients are very, very effective. The success rate is extremely high, higher than we could have imagined. So if you're looking to increase any of your services, I would highly recommend you call Lance. The integrity of him and his company is unmatched. Since I've been in practice a little over 30 and a half years now, there's not a company I've dealt with that has been able to deliver on what they promised, like this company has. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Vincent Domingo with Performance Health Medical and Rehab, and I've had the pleasure of working with Lance and Carlos with IPS and their high algon program. I have to say that their program has been nothing but the best for my patients. Their help and advice and their program itself have proven a level of quality that I couldn't imagine having before them. Just to read a couple of quotes from a couple of our patients. Edward S. wrote, "After going through the high algon injections, you have completely changed my life. I know how I feel. I could go anywhere without the fear of falling or climbing stairs." Doris L. wrote for us, "High algon shots were very successful. Started with severe pain in the knees and activities were very limited. After the series of 5 shots, I am able to work, exercise, and play golf with no pain. I've had high algon shots previously, and they find that they last approximately 1 year. I am back to being able to do whatever I need. Thanks to everyone, the very pleasant staff to work with." So you can see a lot of the results that we get and provided by their quality program, the detail involved in it, using the fluoroscope for the imaging, using their marketing to just bring people in, using the physical therapy, the knee braces. The detail of the program has been very helpful for my patients. I am happy with the results, and the personal and quality service that Lance and Carlos have been able to provide me have been able to help grow my practice.
Hi, my name is Dr. Cal. I practice here in Woodstock, Georgia, Advanced Health Solutions. I've had the opportunity to work with Lance Liberty for many, many years, well over 12 years. The guy is a genius, and his business model is magnificent. From a market standpoint, I don't know that there is anybody better than him. He's incredibly knowledgeable in all procedures. And he had recently come to our office, educated us on the use of the C-arm. We purchased the C-arm through him. He trained us and our medical director and the physician assistant on the use of it, the marketing for it, and his protocol were right on the spot. I highly recommend him as a resource to you, as a marketer, as a person that you can deal with on a regular basis, business standpoint. Very, very highly recommended. I appreciate your Lance.
My name is Dr. Abram Weinberg. I'm a chiropractor practicing in Maryland. I've been practicing for about 28 years. And earlier this year, the end of last year, is when I integrated my practice to become a chiropractic medical practice. And I really needed help with that, so I turned to Lance Liberty and his company to help me. Now, I didn't really know Lance. I had heard some good things about him, so I figured I would give it a shot. And I am really, really glad that I hired him and his company. Lance is the most honest, ethical person that I have ever met. I have used many practice management groups over the years, and a lot of them I've been burned with. And Lance, even though you sign a contract, he does everything in his power to make sure things are done properly, to give you a good outcome, and he always does the right thing. He always does what's best for his customer, meaning, in this case, me. I, of course, had to pay a fee to join with Lance's group, but I believe I've earned that feedback many times over through his ideas. He thinks outside the box. He looks at things from many different angles. He's an extremely intelligent person, and he knows what he's doing. He has a lot of contacts all throughout the country, and he has turned me on to other services, and he has, gotten me discounts on supplies and so forth. Everything has just worked out fantastic with him, and I would definitely renew my contract once it's up. And I urge anybody who's even thinking about whether they should sign up with Lance's group or not, I believe you should. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Tom Federico from Advanced Health Solutions, the medical director here. I want to make a little note for you about Lance Liberte at Prime Business Solutions. He's been an awesome person to talk to and help us with training on this beauty right here and dealing with injection therapy. He's been quite helpful. He has a lot of knowledge. He's had a lot of research that he's done. He's pretty well versed in all the things that need to be done. His protocols are awesome, and he gets everything set up for you, so I couldn't be happier with the things he's done for us at this point. Thanks a lot.
Hi, I'm Dr. James, and I'd like to give a professional recommendation to Lance and his team. I've had the opportunity of knowing Lance since 2004. I've been able to see him grow tremendously over the years, and have seen him help countless of doctors grow from ground up and been extremely successful. Lance has been instrumental in my marketing and helping us to continue to grow. I've spoken to him throughout the years on and off, and every time I needed advice, anytime I needed one of my advertising freshened up, he's always come back with something that completely blew my mind away. He's very professional. He's always returned my calls and always been prompt on returning all my requests. I highly recommend Lance and his team, and I wish everyone the best of luck and success.